Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I will be showing you how to convert USDC to USD on Coinbase. So this is going to be super easy. First of all, what we are going to be doing is head over to your Coinbase account, and once we are there, you can see first we are going to be clicking onto this swap option. Now of course we do not have any crypto, so we are going to be receiving the crypto, but once you have that, you're going to be having option to simply swap. You can see we have our options in here that we can simply add or receive. So make sure to receive your amount, and once you do, you can use this option to swap. So yeah, you can swap into any different intended crypto. You can see we have options to swap in here, but of course that is going to be requiring to first input your and here you can see we have from to. You can select anything. You can select in here USDT, and yeah, so that is going to be pretty much it. And the swapping process is actually pretty easy. All you need to do is click on the swap option and enter your two different USDC on the top and USDT on the second place, and that is going to be wrapping up the process. So I hope this helps, and that's how you can convert USDC to USDT on Coinbase.